Good day all. Today we are continuing with reciprocals of numbers, calculations involving reciprocals. Let's look at two rules. If you have A divided by B is same as A times the reciprocal of B. If we have 1 over y is equal to z, also you can say z is equal to 1 over y. Let's look at examples. 5 divided by 6, 6. That will be 5 times the reciprocal of 6, 6. That's the first rule that we looked at there. Once you do that, you can go to the tables and look for the reciprocal of 6, 6 on the x column. You check next to 6, 6, there is 0, 0,1515. So we then have 5 times 0, 0,1515, which is equal to 0, 756. Then 10 divided by pi. Let's first replace that pi symbol by the number itself. So it's the same as 10 divided by 3,142. I hope everyone knows the number for pi, which is same as 10 times the reciprocal of 3,142. You go to the reciprocal tables, and on the x column 3,1, then we go under 4, and then on the subtract differences column we look for 2, then it means we subtract 2. So we will have 3185, so it will be 10 times 0, 3185, but subtract 2, it becomes 0, 3183. So 10 times 0, 3183, then the answer is 3,18 to 3 significant figures. A car traveled from Kwanda to Kezi, 65 kilometer distance, and took 2,3 hours. Calculate its average speed. We know that speed is equal to distance divided by time. That's what we are supposed to calculate. Speed is equal to our distance is 65 kilometers, then divided by our time 2,3 hours. Then it's same as 65 times the reciprocal of 2,3. 65 times 1 divided by 2,3. One divide 6 times 5 times 1 divided by 2,3. Then if you use the tables to get the reciprocal of 2,3 and then go ahead, you will get your answer is 28,3 kilometers per hour. Find the value of f if 1 over f is equal to 3,45. This one, we are making f the subject of the formula. That's our second rule that we looked at, where we say if 1 over y is equal to z, therefore z is equal to 1 over y. So f is equal to 1 over 3,45. You will get the answer. Then find the value of r if 1 over r is equal to 1 divided by 3,45 plus 1 divided by 2,23. So we need to first evaluate the right hand side. We can use reciprocal tables, then we will get 0,289 plus 0,448. The right hand side reduces to 0,7 0.734. We then get back to that rule. If 1 over r is equal to 0.734, then r should be equal to 1 divided by 0.734. So that is the second rule that we were looking at. So to evaluate r, or to make r the subject of formula, we will have r is equal to 1 divided by 0.734. We can go ahead to the reciprocal tables and then check on the x column 7.3, and then on the next column under 4, then we get our answer as 1362. But since this is a reciprocal of 0.734, we know then that our answer will be equal to 1,